Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm back with another DSA problem, that is best time to buy and sell stock. So this particular problem is based on buying and selling stock in such a way that we can achieve the maximum profit. So in this question, we will be given an array of prices where the index of these prices will be considered as the day. Okay, now what we need to do here is, let me take you through my screen. So this is particularly given the prices of the stock. This is nothing but the price of the stock. Okay, and so these prices keeps fluctuating in the future days. Okay, so in the first day the price of the stock is 7, in the second day it becomes 1, in the third day it becomes 5, fourth day it becomes 3, fifth day it becomes 6, and sixth day it becomes 4. Okay, so as we can understand with the help of graph, so this side it will represent price and this side it will represent day. So in the first day the price of the stock is 7. Okay, so in the first day price of the stock is 7, in the second day it becomes 1, in the third day it becomes 5, in the fourth day it becomes 4, no, it's 3, in the fifth day it becomes 6, in the sixth day it becomes 4, somewhere around here. So as you can see from the graph, it keeps fluctuating. The price of the stock keeps rising and falling. Okay, so what we need to do here is, so the agenda of this question is, first of all what I need to do here is, I need to find a stock with minimum to minimum price, and I need to sell the same stock in the future whenever the stock price will rise very high. On that time I need to sell so that I can achieve the uh, maximum profit. So suppose in this case we can directly see the among these 6 days. So this day, in the second day, the price of the stock becomes very less, that is 1. Among all the days, this second day is the minimum price of the stock. Okay, so in this particular day I will buy the stock with price 1. Okay, so I will buy with price 1, and now I need to sell this stock in the next day, upcoming days means these upcoming days. Okay, so next day I'm seeing the same stock price what I purchased in 1, it becomes 5, it rises by 5. So it's great. So now if I'll consider to sell in this particular day, in the third day, then what will be my profit? That is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, how much? 4. My profit will be 4. Okay, now at this moment I will not consider to sell at this moment, because I want to check the rest of the scenarios as well. So in the upcoming days I need to check the upcoming days as well. What if the upcoming days will give me more profit? So I will check the rest of the scenarios as well. Okay, so in the next days the price becomes 3. So in this case also I'm getting profit. So how much profit? 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. But not maximum profit, because already I got maximum profit in the previous day, that is 4. Okay, so I can't consider this one because 2 is lesser than 4. Okay, now let's check the next. So in the fifth day the price becomes 6. Okay, great. So now check how much profit I can get. 6 minus 1, that is 5. Oh, that's great. So this one is greater than the previous maximum profit what I got previously. Okay, so I can't consider the previous maximum, I will consider now this one as the maximum profit. Okay, but still I having one more left scenario, so I will check this one also. So at the 6th day, how much is the price of the stock? 4. So let me calculate the profit, how much profit I can gain. So 4 minus 1, how much? 3. So still my maximum profit will be 5 because 3 is lesser than my previous maximum profit. So in this case, my maximum profit will be how much? My maximum profit will be 5. Okay, fine. Now, how we can approach this problem? So let me so first of all, what I'll do here is, so I will keep iterating with the first index, first day. Okay, so in the first day, I have bought this particular uh, stock, okay, with price 7. Okay, so I have bought this particular stock with price 7. So my agenda is to sell this stock in the upcoming days to gain the maximum profit. Suppose I will sell in this day, in the first day. Okay, in the first day, then how much profit I will get? So I will not get any profit. So here I will get loss because I purchased in 7, but if I need to sell in 1, then I will get loss of 6. Okay, so I can't afford to loss. Okay, so here also same thing will I need to face. Here also I need to face loss of 2. Here also I need to face loss of 4 because it is lesser than the price I bought. Okay, here also I need to face the loss of 1. Here also I need to face the loss of 3. So I can't consider this buy as a best buy. Okay, so if I'll buy this particular stock, then I will get loss only. Okay, I will get loss in future only. So in this particular scenario, if I'll get loss, I will be returning 0 in the case of loss. Okay, now suppose now this could not be the best buy. This could not be the best buy. Okay, I can't consider this as the best buy. So I will go to the so I will wait for the next day uh, to so that if the next day the price will be reduced, so I can purchase on that time. So I will wait for the next time. So see, the next day it decreased to 1. Okay, so this is the best time to buy. Okay, in the previous day it was 7, but today it become 1. So this is the best buy. I can consider this is the best buy. Why? Because this is the minimum buy among the previous one. Okay, so at this time I will consider this is the best buy. Now my agenda is to sell this stock in the upcoming days. Okay, so in the next day, what I'm saying, this particular stock price becomes 5. Oh, so I'm in the profit because I purchased in 1. Now it becomes 5. So how much profit? It will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, so can I consider this one as the maximum profit? Okay. Can I consider this one as the maximum profit? No, because still I am having rest of the scenarios to be check. Okay, so I will check the rest scenarios as well, and I will keep pending this maximum profit. If I'll get any maximum profit greater than this maximum profit, then I will consider that maximum profit. Okay, so moving forward, so let me check the next day it becomes 3. So let me check how much profit I am getting in this day. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So in this particular day, I will be getting profit of 2. So again, this is not greater than my previous maximum profit. So I'm not going to consider this one as the maximum profit. Still, the maximum profit is 4 itself. Now checking the next scenario. So at this particular moment, the price of the stock becomes 6. Oh, that's great. So I purchased on 1, or now the selling price is 6. So let's check how much profit I'll get. 6 minus 1, that is 5. Oh, great. So now it is greater than my previous maximum price. So I will consider this one as the maximum price. I will not consider this one as the maximum price. Okay. Right. But still I am having one more scenarios to be checked. So I will check this one as well. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. So I'm getting profit of 3. So this profit is not greater than my previous maximum profit. So I will consider 5 as the maximum profit. Okay. So here in this problem, my output will be 5. Here also you can see my output is 5. So how we can approach this question? Let's see. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll define a variable here, max profit. Max profit. So initially I don't know what is the maximum profit. So initially I will assign with 0. So again, the next thing what I'll define is best buy. Best buy. So I also don't know what is the best buy, what is the best minimum value to be buy. So I will start from here itself. So I don't know, see. So that's why I will iterate from here. Okay. It will keep changing. Okay. Now, so already I'm standing here. I already bought this particular stock with price 1. Okay. So I'm going to dry run here and write a pseudocode. So here I have defined 2 variables. Okay. And I will iterate a for loop, and suppose I have bought my stock here. Okay. Now I need to sell this stock. I can't sell at this particular day itself. I need to sell the next day. So I will iterate from here. Okay. From the first index, this is 0th index, first 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will iterate from the index number 1. Okay. And it will iterate till the length, till less than the length of the array. And it will keep increment. Now I need to find the maximum profit. So in Java, we are having one method, that is max, which takes 2 parameter in the value, as a value. Okay. Like the first we can take as max profit, and the second one we can take as prices I minus 1. Prices of I minus what is best buy. Fine. Now again I'll also keep checking the my best buy. If in the previous days, if I find any best price, then I will keep updating the best price as well. So for finding the best price, I will apply minimum method, and I will pass 2 values here as a parameter. So first will be best buy, and the second will be the index where I'm standing right now. I mean, at this index, prices of I. Again, after that, after iterating with by for loop, I will go outside and return the maximum profit. Maximum profit. That's it. This is the logic. So let me take you through the dry run. Okay. So initially we are having best buy is equal to 7. So in the 0th index, what we are having 7. So best buy is currently we are having 7. Fine. Now we will start with now our agenda to sell our stock. Okay. So to sell the stock, I can't sell at this position at this particular day where I bought. Okay. I can only send the next day I bought. Okay. I mean from this index itself. Okay. That's why I started iteration with one first index. Okay. So now let me dry run. Okay. So this particular method max will give the maximum among these two values. Okay. So what is the maximum profit we are having? We are having maximum profit currently. We are having 0. Now, what is the prices of index I? What is I? 1. So at the first index, what we are having? 1. As you can see, 1. Okay. Now minus best buy. What is best buy? 7. Okay. So 1 minus 7 is how much? Minus 6. So among these two numbers, which is greater? Obviously 0. Okay. So we will assign with 0. So already it is 0, so no need to update here. Okay. Now again, I will come to this line. Now, best price. Okay. I need to assign best price. So best price should be minimum among all the prices. So initially, I am having best price is equal to how much? 7. As you can see here, best price is equal to 7. And currently, I'm standing at which position? This position. At 7. No, I'm standing here. Okay. Okay, I'm standing here. So what is the value of prices of one index? 1. So among these two values, which is the lesser? 1. Okay. So it will return the lesser value and assign it to the best buy, not best price, best buy. Okay. So I will update here. It will be 1. Okay. Now again I will back to the for loop. Okay. So again it will increment with 1. Okay. So it will become 2. Initially it was started with 1. So after updating with 1, it will become 2. So now it is 2. Again it will check the condition 2 is less than length. Yes. So it will come inside this loop. Now we are having max profit is how much? 0. Okay. We are having 0. And prices of index 2, at index 2 what we are having? 5. Okay. Let me erase first. There will be so much confusion. Okay. So maximum profit is 0 and prices at 2 index how much? 5. 5 minus best buy is how much? 4. Okay. So this is 4. Which is greater? 0 or 4? Obviously 4 is greater. So I will assign max profit with value 4. So let me update max value with 4. Okay. Now I will come to this line. Now I will check the minimum among these two values. What is the best buy? We are having currently 1. And at what position we are standing right now? At this position. Among these two, which is the smallest? Obviously 1. So it was already 1, so no need to update here. So now again I will come to this for loop. It will increment by 1. Okay. So it was previously it was 2. So it after increment it will become 3. Okay. Now 3 is lesser than length of array. Obviously, it is lesser. Okay. Now I will check this one. Let's see. So here the max profit is how much at this moment? 4. And the prices of 2 minus best buy how much? What is the index value? We are having 3. At third index, what we are having? 3. So 3 minus best buy, what is 2? Which is the maximum? Or this time also 4 is the maximum profit. So no need to update here. Again, I will come to this particular line. So minimum of best buy, what is best buy? 1. And at which position I am standing? This position. Obviously, this is the minimum. So no need to update here. Again, I will come to the for loop. Again, I will come to the for loop. It will increment 1. So it will become 4 at this time. Okay, it will become 4. So 4 is length less than length. What is length? 6. Oh, obviously, in this is less. So I will just execute this particular line. What is maximum profit? 4. And what index I am standing right now? 6. Which is greater, 4 or 6? Obviously 6. So this particular method gives the maximum value among these two numbers. So this 6 is the greater. So 6 will be assigned into maximum profit. So let me update here. Now maximum profit is 6. Okay. 6 minus 1. Okay. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 will be there. Okay. So maximum profit is what? 5. Okay. So let me come to this line. Minimum of best buy. Best buy is what? 1. And what is the current position? 6, which is lesser this one. So no need to update. Again, I will come to for loop. It will increment by 1. Okay. So let's see. I have increment by 1. So it become 5. Now at this position, we are at this position. Now let me check what is the maximum profit. Maximum profit we are having 5 at this time. And we are standing at this line. So 4 minus 1, how much it will be? 3. Which is greater? This one is greater. So no need to update. Okay. So at this time we iterated with all the numbers. Okay. So at this time we are having maximum profit is what? Maximum profit is 5. You can also iterate to all the numbers, but it will take so much time. So that's why, as I can see already, this is the maximum profit. Okay. So now coming to the question, how we can apply the same logic in coding. Okay. So first of all, I'll define a max profit. Max profit is equal to 0. And I will define one more variable, that is best buy. Best buy is equal to prices of 0th index. It will start from 0. Now I will start a loop here, which will start from first index. And it will iterate till the length of the array. Now it will increment every time with 1. Now max profit is equal to math dot max profit, comma. So now prices of ith index minus best buy. Now what I'll do, I'll keep checking my best buy. If I'll get the best buy further, then I will update best buy as well. Now after that, I will return the max profit. Now let's run. So our code is working and all test cases are working. So now let's submit this code. Okay, fine. So our code is successfully submitted with uh, with all test cases. Okay. So hope you guys understood this question. And if you like this question, like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So thank you.